Hi everyone, let us start with SetLanguage Exercise 1.3, question number 5 today. Find the symmetric difference between the following sets. Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference, what is symmetric difference? Let's have a quick recap of it before going to our question in detail. Symmetric difference is nothing but, as the word suggests, you have to find some difference and then you have to make a clump of it or union of it. So that is denoted by, if you take two sets as A and B, then it will be A delta B. It is written as A delta B. So this is the formula for A delta B, which means you have to subtract the value of A from B from A, which is A minus B, and union it with B minus A. So you have to difference both the sets and make a union of it. So this is the formula for symmetric difference. And with this quick recap, let us move on to our question. So the question is, P and Q are the sets which is given. So the first will be solution. So let us go on with our solution. Set P is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and set Q is also given. First of all, since we are asked symmetric difference, let us write out the formula. P delta Q is equal to P minus Q and an union Q minus P. So first we have to find out these P minus Q. P minus Q is nothing but, we have to subtract the elements of Q from P. So let us start writing our P. If we have that element like 2 in Q, then we don't have to write it. We don't have 2 now, so we can write 2. Then we have 3 in both P and Q. So let us write this off. And then 5. 5 is also there in both P and Q. And then 7. 7 is there only in P. So we can write for P minus Q. And then we have got 11. The same way 11 is there in both P and Q. So we can stop our solution here. I mean P minus Q. Then put the union symbol, write your Q minus P. Same way you have to write Q elements without P elements. When I wrote P minus Q, I striked out all the common elements, so we can directly write this 1 as your Q minus P. So your answer will be, I'm writing in ascending order, so 1, 2 and 7. So finally your answer will be P delta Q is equal to 1, 2 and 7. So this is your answer. Hope you understand this question. This is like you have to find the difference of two sets and then you have to write all the sets together, union of the answer. In a similar way, we have just got numbers here, which is the difference between the previous question and this question. Let's start the solution. So here, since we have to find symmetric difference, let us put the formula R delta S is equal to R minus S. Then, one second, we have to put the open bracket or the flower brackets. R minus S union S minus R. So the next thing will be, you have to find out R minus S. So first let me put the brackets and then we start writing the R minus S. So R minus S is nothing but, you have to write your R elements excluding your S elements. So let me start writing it neatly. R minus S. So R is L. L we have both the sets. So we have to strike it off. And then M is there only in R, so I'm writing it. N is there in both the sets, so I'm striking it off in both the sets for easier purpose. And O and P are not in S, so we have to can write it M comma O comma P. And union, then you have to write your S minus R. So since we have striked out the common elements L and N, we can directly write as J comma Q. So your answer will be, we can write it as M O P J and Q. So you can write in ascending order also. J, G I J J K L M and N O P. Just I have rewritten it in ascending order. This is not necessary, but if you want, you can write it. So our answer will be R delta S is equal to, this is your answer. So this is the way to find your answer. Just put the formula and apply it. Be careful when you make R minus S and S minus R. Don't miss out any elements. So now let us move on to our next question. Final question. Since it is very simpler and easier, let's start our question solution with x delta y. The formula is the same, just the set names are varied. So now yes, x delta y is equal to x minus y union y minus x. So this is what you have to figure it out. So x minus y will be write x elements, exclude y elements. 5 we have got both in x and y, strike it off. 6 is there only in x. So I'm writing it. And then 7 is there, both the elements, both the sets. So strike it off. So you can finish it off here with your x, y, x minus y, and you put the union and write the open the floor bracket for our next set. Y minus x. So start with y. We have cancelled out the common elements. So we can directly write your 9s and 10s. Anyways, cross check it. We don't have 9, 10 there. So now your final answer will be 6 union of it. Union means write both together. 6, 9 and 10. So now your answer will be x delta y is equal to 6, 9 and 10. So this is the answer. This is how we found the symmetric difference. So the only thing is you have to know the meaning of the symmetric difference between the sets. Just apply the formula and go ahead. Thank you.